Hollywood is keeping a secret. Fun weight loss with Puravive. Hello, lovers of sports and beauty. Today we're going to uncover the weight loss secret that Hollywood's keeping tight, and we promise it'll be the funniest thing you've ever tried. Puravive, the art of weight loss with humor. You won't believe what Puravive is. It's not just a weight loss product, but a fun-filled adventure that's guaranteed to make you laugh out loud. Uniquely special, the divine of natural ingredients, Puravive uses only the most natural ingredients, selected like Hollywood gems. It feels like eating diamonds to lose weight. Nothing. More caffeine. Don't you want to lose weight but end up like a caffeine addict? Puravive has created the caffeine-free secret so you can stay awake and still feel uplifted. Crowd-like energy at red carpet event. Puravive not only helps you lose weight, but also boosts your energy to the point where you'll stand out like a star on the red carpet. Make sure you will have the energy to crush all challenges. Unlimited fun experience. Puravive is more than just a pill. It's an experience. It is a wonderful combination of medical magic and Hollywood drama. The difference with Puravive is that it not only makes you lose weight, but also makes you lose those belly-aching smiles. Conclusion: smile out loud and be beautiful and confident. If you are looking for the secret to weight loss that is not boring, Puravive is your ideal partner. Don't miss out on this fun weight loss experience. Hit the Buy Now button and start your fun weight loss adventure. Don't forget to like and subscribe so you don't miss out on funny secrets and other unique products from the world of weight loss. Prepare for an adventure full of laughter and health.